podium and begin your process.
Alright. Assalamu alaikum ya jama'at al-muslimina wal muslimat. If you have no Muslim here today, you cannot understand our religion's way of living. Let me tell you, Shalom, which means the same people. By the way of introduction, I am all Muhammad, Oracle for Jericho, Patu Mexico, Satembe Batiko. It's time to perform a miracle. Ibn Ibrahim Fofana II, current president of the New Hope Academy, Secretary General elect of New Ambition Intellectual Forum, and permanent member or permanent citizen of the district number 2. Quickly into the argument. I stand to argue and support the proposition that says the World Criminal Code should be established in the Republic of Liberia. There are many who argue this World Criminal Code should not be established in the Republic of Liberia because they do not understand the implication of the democratic process to our society. Due to this, I stand here today under the international Gazabu, under the international Sakoka, while in a coalition to discuss the issue without plagiarizing any ideas to the people of an attractive intellectual forum to debate the issue in order to bring World Criminal Code in the Republic of Liberia. And then also say this, we came here fellow invitees and member and official of the Novos institution, attracting intellectual forums to cross-pollinate ideas, but not to do something in order to eliminate ourselves. I serve as debater of this issue and research-oriented. I am an academician who believe in academic battle, but not social battle. Before I go into the debate, let us first look at the definition of the World Criminal Code. You cannot defend such an argument if you don't know the meaning of the argument. Let me look at the definition of World Criminal Code. World Criminal Code is a code established to carry on certain justice against certain acts that are deliberately committed as a part of a widespread of systematic attack or individual attack directed against the humanity or human population in which have been in the Republic of Liberia. There are many people in the Republic of Liberia. They committed suicide during the 14 years war. They bring up their superiority because they believe they can do many things. Or they can execute people to go free. And this time around, we the interview generation or the leader generation of this country, we have to make use of the bigger words in the space of democracy to send all of them in the exile in order for them to be prosecuted for their crime against humanity during the 14 years war. What I mean by this? Crime such as, let us look at such a crime that were committed during the 14 years of war in the Republic of Liberia. The Recreation Massacre, in which 6,700 persons was executed. You said here, the World Criminal Code should not be able to prosecute those